Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0x8007000d while trying to update your system or specifically push a cumulative update on your system, then please watch this video. Now here's what happens. The update freezes up at a certain percentage. For example, for this user, it froze up at 70%. In this case, two solutions have been mentioned and both are through the command prompt. So the first solution is to enter this command wuauclt.exe space /update now, which forces the Windows updates to the system. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter, and this will update Windows forcibly. And for the second one, open the elevated command prompt window once again. Then use these three commands. So I'll tell you what these commands are: dism space /online space /cleanup -image space /check health, and in the rest to change check health to scan health and restore health. And the impact is very clear. The first one checks for the health, the second one scans it, the third one restores it. Basically the restore health command is the main one. So I will simply copy paste these commands here, and it says the operation completed successfully, and the system image will be repaired using these dism commands. So this is what has been helping users, but there's one more additional step that you can try, and that is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select check for updates in the right pane, and this will update Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. I will help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.